Dear students, after logging in to the ELMS website, that is our Moodle classroom, so you will find your class, and if you look at our topic 6, we have an additional item which is Accounts Payable Management Class Workshop. So now I'm going to show you how to complete the completion stage of this workshop. Actually, this workshop has two phases. One is the completion stage. After you complete this stage, you will be given the peer assessment stage. So in the completion stage, what you will have to do, you will have to answer certain questions that are given, or if there is any problem given, you have to do that. You have to solve that. And when you do that, make sure that you pay attention to the requirements or the criteria that will be assessed. So to complete this stage, what you have to do, you will have to click on the workshop link, and you will find that the instructions are given in detail. Number 1, watch the following lecture carefully. So if you click here, you can play it here, or you can simply watch the last lecture that I was taking in the last week. Then read the spontaneous liabilities section from Gitman and Jutter's textbook. Read carefully, maybe 2 or 3 times. It is not very big, from 642 to 648 page. And after that, you will have to write 3 short notes. Okay, 3 short notes, each in about 100 words. So in total, in about 300 words. So one short note is on spontaneous financing, another one is on free trade credit, and the last one is on change of the cost of trade credit when accounts payable is stretched. You will have to write these short notes in a given text box. Sometimes you may like to type the short notes in a separate Word document so that you can work independently, according to your convenience. So you can also do that, so when you complete your work, then you can copy and paste in the given text box. So when you are ready for submission, what you have to do, you have to click Start Preparing Your Submission. Now you got the title and submission content. So you can in the title you can simply write the accounts. You can write the Accounts Payable Management Class Workshop, or any other relevant title. That is not a very big matter. Then you can start writing. So you have total 3 short notes to write. So you can just copy and paste here. Perhaps delete the instruction about number of words. So consider these 3 as the heading of your submission. Let us make it bold. Make the titles bold. Now you write your answer here. Okay, and then this is not bold, so you can write. So after you have completed writing your answer, then you click Save Changes. So you can see this is the submission, and sometimes you may also be able to edit if you think that you have to improve your answer. You can do that, or if you completely replace it, start from the beginning, you can also delete the submission. Okay, so this is how you can complete the first stage. After you complete the first stage, I will instruct you to go for the next stage. Okay, that is the assessment phase. Okay, in that phase, what you will have to do, you will have to assess other 3 students' submissions and give and allocate points, marks for them. Okay, so assess and review the 3 other students' answers or work using the criteria provided. You will find the criteria. I will demonstrate that again. Don't worry about that. So what you will have to do, you will have to complete the completion stage. That means you have to answer the questions first, and it will carry 75% grade, and that will be actually given by your peer, that means your classmates. But remember that the submission will be allocated anonymously, okay, and randomly. So you don't know which of your peer student will assess your work. Okay, and whoever assesses your work, the quality and quality of the assessment will carry the assessor's 25% of the grade. Okay, don't worry, we will discuss about that later. At first, complete the first stage, that is the completion stage. Thank you very much.